From there, we go to the relationship between work and leisure. They usually ask the relationship. So when you asked about the relationship between work and leisure, you talk about the similarities in both. Both are instituted by who? By God. Work and leisure are because Jesus worked. Remember, even God worked during what? Creation. And rest is instituted by God because he rested on the what? On the seventh day. They are both God's command. Both support family physically and emotionally. Leisure can reduce stress, and I told you other ways of you can use your leisure to reduce stress. I told you knitting, gardening is there. Also, those are approved. They are really approved medically. You can do those to relieve your stress. Anything about on the electronic media, it's not there. Look at the research that is there. You can also, especially those people who are very prayerful and the church, it brings you calm. It is there. If you're serious about worshiping God, it brings you calmness. Work also helps one to replace lost energy. And when you work, you're able to get your basic needs. While leisure, you get an opportunity to enjoy yourself. Or you enjoy the what you've acquired. So those are the only